A good day to everyone. Let me share with you about the Dominican preaching. Well, a Dominican preaching is considered as in and out of season, meaning that we have to continue preaching whether out of season or in season, meaning to say that our preaching should not be seasonal. When I mean seasonal is if I like, if I wish, but we are in a mission of preaching. We have to preach the truth. We have to preach the goodness of God. We have to preach the forgiveness of God to other people. Because how can people believe if they do not hear about God's preaching? And how can they know about God if without a preacher? How would they know if they haven't heard anything about God? And that's why we as Dominicans, we must not be bounded by boundaries. Meaning, we have to go beyond the boundaries. Because mission, our preaching is a mission. We are sent to preach the good news of Jesus. So, that's it. We Dominicans should always keep on preaching the good news. Like Saint Dominic. He would go from one place to another to preach the forgiveness of sins and for the salvation of people. Preaching to the salvation of souls. Thank you for listening.